We're going to rename this file. My R keeps missing. Need a new computer. What do we want to name this? I don't know. Name. If you want to, we could do initials. Probably be easier. I'm looking for at least a minimum of 3 different letters. You know, maybe we should call this writing. So we're going to do a new thing here. We've done the drivetrain obviously in magnet. Now we go here to looks, and we're going to use to set the color of the pen and move the pen up and down to draw stuff on the maps. I'm going to have you guys I'm going to do my first initial of my first name, which is C, and I'll show you a video of doing my initials. You can do your first name if you want to. If you want to just do your initials, that's fine too. You might be thinking, oh, we can just go in here and print hello and do this print stuff. What this is doing is it's going to print stuff to the console here. This is not something we've talked about videos yet, but that's not going to do what we wanted to do. So okay, so we're going to set up to art canvas, and so this is just clear, kind of in the robot starts here in the middle. And what I want to work on is just figuring out how to draw some letters. Okay, so I think I'm going to go here and create a my block, and we're just going to call this C, and put that there. So if I'm going to make a C, usually when you draw it out, you got to go with your pencil strokes. But I think I'm going to start over here at the bottom, go up, and then come back down. So I'm going to turn right 90 degrees. I think I'm doing this okay. I think what I want to do though is I want to make my height of my letters maybe a little taller. So I'll make this more like 300 millimeter. And let's see, it's going to go up 300, and I'm going to turn right. Left 90 degrees, I think, and then I want to move forward just a smidge. We want to have a little bit of space after we make the letter to, have a little bit of letter space. So let's see what this looks like here. Okay, so that's drawn out my letter. I think I want to turn. We started off pointing up, so I think I want to turn back, make sure, and end. It's a good idea to always start to end the way you started. There we go. Let's see what it looks like if we do this a couple of times here. And so what I'm checking for is just to make sure that we have decent enough spacing right there. We don't want these layers to run into each other. And that looks pretty good. So what I should do now is, before I do that, I need to move my robot up to upper left corner. And then realize that I wrote my letter assuming I was pointing up, and so I just need to make sure that my robot is pointing up, and then we'll try this again. Alright. And I'm not building I'm not defining a my block with this code, because I should only do this the once the first time. So let's see what this looks like. Uh-oh, something went wrong.